Jordan kind of gave us, like, what strategies are you using? Where is that strategy? What's the profit, what's the profit margin on that? So you have to understand that's discipline and consistency, which is really important, because a lot of times trading, this is fun. Like for me, the trading part is fun, but it can get boring, right? It can get boring. Consistency, doing something over and over and over and over again, showing up over and over and over and over again. There are people that should be on this huddle up right now, but they're like, I'm not going to one of those meetings again. I don't feel like it. It's not about your feelings. Let me make sure you understand that. It's not about your feelings always. And it's really more about, do you want the results? We have to get past the feeling of having to have something entertaining, right? All the time if we want to get something that's going to be lasting.